years ago, I was referred to Howe and Associates, and after consulting with them and getting to know everyone over at the firm, I determined that they were the best resource we could have to do the things that my company needed to be able to provide that service. And we've just been very pleased. We've used them now for well over 10 years. Our debt collections have certainly declined as far as any issues that we have. The sooner we get to our issues, the sooner and the better chance we have of collecting those payments. So certainly Howe and Associates has offered us fantastic service. Anytime that we call over there, have an issue, they're right on top of it. We really, really enjoy working with everyone in the company, and it's a decision that we made that's been very beneficial for our company, and we look forward to working with Howe and Associates for years to come. As a president and CEO of an Atlanta-based healthcare company, one of the issues that we deal with on a daily basis is cash flow and making payroll and running a business. It's very critical that we're paying attention to all aspects of our business. And certainly one issue that we have in the healthcare business is payments and collections. And we, for years, had struggled with exactly how we could approach this, because we knew the sooner we got on top of it, the better chance we would have of actually collecting what was owed. With Howe and Associates, they offered us great consultation. They were very informative about the best way to approach this, to get to those issues quickly, and then certainly by doing that, we have seen our cash flow improve. We've seen our receivables decline, and our uncollectible debts have improved greatly. So year in, year out, that we've been working with Howe and Associates, the write-offs that we have at the end of the year of uncollectible debts have declined, which helps the company out in its profit base, and the structure of our receivables is much better today because of Howe and Associates.